India's biggest rural job scheme is about to change its name, its structure, and who pays for it, and that has bigger implication than it seems. The government is planning to replace MGNREGA nearly 20 years after it was introduced with a new law called GRAMIN, short for Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission. At first glance, the proposal sounds positive. Guaranteed employment could increase from 100 days to 125 days in a year. But the most important change is not the name or the days, it's the funding structure. Under the new proposal, the center-state funding split will move to 60:40. This means state may now need to shoulder 40% of the total cost, compared to much higher central funding earlier. States may also be allowed to pause the scheme for up to 60 days during the peak sowing or harvesting seasons. Looking at the numbers, MGNREGA spending peaked at around rupees 1.11 lakh crores in 2020-2021 during the pandemic. Since then, the spending has remained high, but the number of households demanding work has slowed, indicating a shift in rural employment patterns. For fiscally strong states, this change may offer flexibility and control, but for financially weaker states, a higher funding burden could limit how much guaranteed work they can actually provide. This turns the scheme from a primarily central responsibility into a shared fiscal decision. This isn't just a policy rename, it's a shift in how social welfare is funded, managed, and prioritized. Understanding these changes helps us read between the headlines. Forward this to someone who would find it useful and follow for more such explanations.